What's going on, guys? Check out my GoPro here, Serial. Just showing out the view. All right, let's switch back to my main camera. What's going on, YouTubers? This your boy Dan, and Need Escape Getaways. Hey, before we get this going, let's don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna give you great content. But we're leaving on Carnival Breeze this next weekend, so I decided to get on eBay and order the GoPro accessories. It was only $25.99, cheap. But I just want to see how it worked because I got my GoPro silver here and I want to play with it. So here we go. This is on straight from eBay. Ordered 2 days ago and it didn't even say it got shipped and it showed up 2 days later. So pretty good shipping. So I give it that. So let's see what's in this thing right here. First thing first. Got that stuff all over here. Yeah, we know what this is. Cool. Put that up here. Put out the instructions to pull everything out of here. Not bad for $25.99. So I got all kind of cool little gadgets in here for my GoPro. So we're gonna have fun. All right. First thing first, carry case. You got a little note here from the actual owner. Appreciate that. Let's see what it say. Dear customer, thank you for your recent purchase. My name is Lucas Parker, and I'm the customer service director for Newer Technology. Well, I appreciate it there, Mr. Lucas Parker, for this. I hope this review gets you more sales. But anyway, I've got the case here. Got instructions. Here's your case, which is good. I can put it right here in my check-in bag before I go on the cruise, and boom, right with me. But actually, my carry-on bag. I'm gonna keep this with me. Let's see what we got first. This looks like your head harness right here. Okay. So I put this on. Do some streaming, vlogging. All right. That over there. Got a wrist for my wrist. It's pretty cool. Mount the GoPro in here. Boom. That's a little bang for your bucks. Got on here. Oh, this is the full body harness. If you want to get those shots from your chest on, Okay. So I like this thing here. It's a bobber. So when you're in the water surfing or snorkeling or whatever, fall in the water, this comes up and it keeps your GoPro from floating. Because a lot of people can tell you when they doing their blogging, don't have one of these bad boys, they lose GoPros in the ocean. And you like me, balling on a budget, you don't want to lose your GoPro in the ocean. So nope. All right. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, got a little tripod. So you want to do stationary? Put my GoPro on top of there, sit it down. I'm trying to see what these instructions here. Okay, got a suction cup here. You can mount it on your glass. Put the GoPro in here, mount it up, suction cup. Got a little knob here. Like I said, it's not bad for your bang for your bucks. I know if you go buy the accessory for straight GoPro, you're gonna pay a little bit more. I'm pretty sure it's better quality, but for some of this same stuff here, to me, I think you get better quality. This is good quality. Trying to figure out what this is. This looks like a clamp here. Okay, you put the GoPro in here, you clamp it somewhere. Not sure what I'll use it for, but come in handy eventually. Here's another strap. I'm not sure where to go to. What else we got here? This helmet extension arm. If you got a helmet on and you want to extend it, boom. And then you put the GoPro in there and it extends. It's pretty neat to have. And here's some more mounts. You can stick them on anywhere you desire and stick them on and mount the GoPro and whatever you got going on, whether you're on a skateboard or on your motorcycle or on your bicycle, dirt bike, And these are all the screws as well as more mounts, more hardware, Slide GoPro on there. It's pretty neat. It slide on in. I'm assuming this is probably, it's like I said, it's an extension for the helmet mount. Yep, it goes to the top of there and boom. GoPro right here beeping. And got of course a carry bag to put your GoPro in, which is not bad, little pouch. And it also has a wrench in here somewhere. Oh, it's in here. This is pretty neat to have here. Like say you got a pole or something you want to mount the GoPro on when you're doing certain shots. Got a small little vise, put it in there, put it around the pole, put the GoPro up here and tighten it down, and boom. And here's your helmet strap for you want to put it, mount it to your helmet. Whatever helmet you got going on. So there you have it for $25.99 and a little bang for your bucks. And I just wanted to show y'all, a quick preview. You see these on eBay or Amazon all the time. And I just took a chance and bought one, to see, anything else I might think I might need, I just go out and buy. But for the most part, I have everything I need right here for this cruise coming up. So I'm gonna play around with it, and I guess y'all gonna see it on my next vlog in about 7 days. In between time, I'll check y'all guys later. And don't forget to subscribe to Skate Getaways and deuces.